Hey, there's Mr. Fizzwidget. What happened?
Everything's fine. There was just a bit of debris on the landing pad.
That was our ship.
Don't worry about it, little fella. It's insured. So, do you have the, delivery? Ridiculous! Come, gentlemen. There is precious little time. Just sit back and relax, boys. How about a little flying music?
He did that on purpose.
Nah, he's just easily distracted.
Yeah, well.
Come on, let's see if we can find a way out of here.
Okay. So Fizzwidget ejected us from the spaceship. Oh, lava gun, awesome. It's one of the best weapons in this game. I mean, in all Ratchet & Clank history. Though I actually prefer it in the third one. I don't really like its evolution, its upgrade in this game. It's kind of weird, I think. Also, from this stage on, the game gets a bit difficult. Not difficult, but the enemies start taking more than simply one nanotech bar. I think it's from this stage on. And also you get the first wrench upgrade in this level, a bit further. This is the only Ratchet & Clank game that features multiple wrenches that can upgrade. I mean, it's not technically upgrade, but it's basically it. You simply don't gain experience. When you reach a certain part of the game, you get it. Also, so you guys see it. Yeah, I lost more than one with these enemies attack. Oh crap, that was a fail. Oh, from the start. I think I made to upgrade the Seeker gun first before heading to the lava gun. Okay, back to lava gun. Oh, I have to edit my quick select menu. Which should I take off? This one probably, since we don't use this gadget that much. Okay. No. Okay, for a moment I thought I was going to fall into the lava and die. The thing I like in the lava gun is that after you stop pressing the circle button, it will even let like it's not spending ammo anymore, but it's still like having a bit of lava in the point, and it still can kill enemies. I actually like that.
It says, in case of emergency, break glass with wrench. Hold on. This one says, use rock to break glass to get wrench to break glass to get rock. Ooh, I love logic puzzles. Let's see. If you break the glass with the...
Solved it.
And this is how we get our first wrench upgrade. It's significantly stronger than the last one. And also I suppose this is a continue point, since there's a vendor here. Bastard. Also, these also take 2 of my HP. Oh, by the way, I'm going to try to finish the game with only the first armor in the game. Last time I did it, so I suppose I can do it this time. In Ratchet & Clank 3 though, I won't be doing that because I died a lot of times trying to do that. Ratchet & Clank 3, I don't know if it's harder, but the enemies hit a lot harder actually. I love doing this with lava gun. I don't know why. Waste of ammo actually, but oh well.
Hand over the experiment now.
I can't do that.
You have 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! He's a she.
This changes nothing. Where's the experiment?
We have returned it to Mr. Fizz Widget.
Oh, you've just put the whole galaxy in imminent danger.
But
I don't have time to stand around explaining it to you. If you have any intention of fixing the mess you've made, watch this.
Oh no! Good thing that wasn't little Susie. Here at the Megacorp testing facility, we make sure the products you buy are safe for you and your family. These are just a few of the products we've rejected to help keep you safe. The Tiny Tot Slingshot, the Nuclear Mousetrap, Self-Wedgifying Underwear, and the Lawn Ninjas. So the next time your toaster doesn't explode in your face, say a little thank you to the Megacorp testing facility.
wow, she's got a few bolts loose. What does a testing facility have to do with galactic danger?
I am unsure. However, I believe we should investigate that location.
Well, we're gonna need a new ship.
So we got the coordinates to Dobo. But where's our ship? Oh, here it is. All wrecked up.
Oh. Hello, sir.
Hey, that's my ship.
Possession is an illusion. Do not all things belong to the cosmos?
No. That's definitely mine.
This vessel suffers from wounded chaff. Only the power of the crystals can hope to heal it.
Crystals, sir?
Crystals? Like those found in the desert? Beyond. Oh.
Well, we don't have any better ideas. Let's go grab a few crystals.
So we need to get 10 crystals. Before heading to the crystals, however, I'm going to this place. Probably I should have bought some ammo. I'll actually need that thermometer gadget in this place. I took it off of the quick select wheel, but I'll go there manually. Gadgets. No, it's this one. Damn it. Oh, awesome. Yeah, you guys might be wondering, why did I throw myself into the water? Oh, come on, dude. Can't I go up there? Oh, by the looks of it, no. Oh, this sucks. Wait, what am I doing? I'm doing the wrong way. Problem, dudes. I know what I'm doing. Just getting a platinum bolt for you guys. Whoa, what's that? Like, what? Glitches for the win! You can see through the floor. Oh well. One of... Whoa, look at that. Glad I caught that on camera. Oh my god, my belly is like crumbling. She's like, oh, I want food. I actually just woke up. I think I said that earlier. Okay. And we're at the top right now. The gadget I'm going to get now, it's actually needed for Planet Dobo. At least for us to complete it fully. Damn it, I was firing! I'm looking for the nanotech. There's the one nanotech around here. No, it's not here. I don't really remember where's the nanotech. But there's one in one of these. Is it this one? No. Wait, but that's the end. I'm going to commit suicide. Where's the nanotech? Is it the very first one? Nope, not here. Maybe that one? Nope. Is it this one? No. Where the hell is that nanotech? I'm almost 100% sure that there's one one of those nanotech things. Oh, here it is. And the free platinum bolt. Oh, my belly is like. Damn it! Shut up for a while. Okay, done with this. And where's my lava gun? Here it is. My precious lava gun. I'm only sticking with this weapon until it fully levels up. Also, there's a slim cognito around this place. Here it is. Let's see if I have sufficient platinum bolts for something useful. I have 8. This is nice. And this is nice too. Okay, these last I'm going to keep for myself. So we need to get 10 of those crystals. Oh, the weapon now kills with 1 hit, thanks to the mod. Awesome. Crystals can be caught in 2 ways: by destroying these containers, and these containers I don't really know. I suppose this is a container. Or you can also get them by destroying like big ass guardians, something like that. When it gets killed, it gives out one crystal. So more crystals. Alright, I can't really see them right now. When we get the map, the thing that shows secret things in the area, you can actually see the location of the items. Oh damn it! Where the hell is that enemy? Oh, there's one here. I didn't even notice. Eight, almost 10. I see the last 2 victims. Damn it! Is there an enemy here? No. Oh, there is actually. Does this have any ammo for the secret gun? Yes, it does. Though I don't know if... I'm going to first take a bit of its HP by doing this. And now I'm going to use the secret gun. Hopefully it levels up. No! What the hell, dude? Freaking... bastards. Dude, why won't you lock on into the freaking enemy? Ah, damn it. Fuck this shit. I don't get why the weapon wasn't locking on. It should lock on, I think. And now I still am missing one freaking... Good thing though, I can, I think, level this weapon up. I was scratching my ear, sorry about that. So where was I? I should be around this place. No, it wasn't that way. There's one crystal there. Should have been around this place. Oh, probably was that one. Probably it was this one. What, it didn't level up, damn it. I guess I have a little more time, just until the weapon levels up. I'm almost upgrading my nanotech too, so it's kinda good. There's if you guys don't know, there's actually a skill point for getting all these crystals. Oh, finally it's leveling up. Now it fires 3. I'm just going to get that last crystal over there and kill the freaking warrior or whatever that is. And bam, it's dead. Now we can return. What's the right place though? It's a pity that I still don't have the boots. That fire on its feet. I don't know. I don't really remember the name's boots. Dude, is that fly still fall? Yes, it is. Freaking bastard. I thought it would quit half of the way. Crystals. I'm going to get an extra for the 8 crystals that I have. Actually, it will be 9.
Yes, the crystals are spiking to me with a single voice.
That was pretty impressive.
Bring me more crystals, and I'll pay you cold hard bolts.
Huh?
You can earn vast amounts of bolts by exploring the desert and finding crystals.
Now we can go to Dobo.
Hey, see if you can find anything worth watching.
Welcome back to Behind the Hero. In yet another setback for the embattled Captain Quark, the Galactic Court ordered him to pay 6 billion bolts in damages to citizens suffering from personal hygienator syndrome. Only 2 days later, Quark was arrested trying to flee to Poketaru. The one-time hero, now full-time Zero, was placed in custody awaiting trial. But the next day it was discovered that he had escaped, flushing himself to freedom. We will return to Behind the Hero after these messages.
How can someone flush in the toilet?